How to record shows on Spectrum TV app. Now, Spectrum TV application has actually a wide range of features depending on the subscriptions you're in. Now, if you're wanting to record shows using Spectrum TV app, what you want to do is to upgrade or even add a cloud DVR feature directly from the Spectrum TV application if you do not have a built-in DVR on the TV or device that you're using. Simply head straight into your plan subscription and then check if you've added a cloud in it. And once you've successfully added a cloud, that specific recording button will automatically show up whenever you choose or you're currently streaming on your favorite shows. But you also have to take note that there are services that is not available in all areas, and there are just some specific restrictions that will be applied depending in your country or region. And that is how you record shows on Spectrum TV app.